Welcome back guys to this video. This is Sabani from Crypto Puncher. In this video today I'll be showing you how to withdraw your Pi from your Pi wallet to your exchange where you sell it off to your local bank account. So let's get started. So when you open your Pi browser, you click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you have to input your 24 word passphrase. So you must have copied that before, so you paste it here and then to enter your wallet. Or alternatively, if you have enabled your fingerprint unlock, you can use it. So I will use my fingerprint to go in. As you can see, I still have 100 Pi left in this wallet, so I will be sending this Pi to BitGate. So let me go to BitGate. When you go to BitGate, you can click on add fund. You will see deposit crypto. Once you click on that, you search for Pi. You can see Pi network here, the first one. You click on it, then you copy your deposit address correctly, then go back to your Pi wallet. You click on pay or request, then you click on manually add wallet. So I will be pasting the address I had earlier copied from BitGate. I will paste it here. Then I will choose the number of Pi I want to send. So I want to send 100 Pi to BitGate. Then I will click on send. This will pop up. Make sure you check every detail. This address here, the address I'm sending to, make sure it corresponds. As you can see, it ends with 2NC. Then let's check. You can see it here is the same thing, 2NC. So the address is correct, and the recipient, which is my BitGate, will receive 100 Pi, and this is their charge, which is 0.01. So I'll click on confirm. I've successfully transferred my Pi. So I'll close that. Then I'll go back to my BitGate exchange to see my Pi. So I will click on wallet here. Then I'll wait for it to arrive. Okay, so my Pi has arrived. As you can see it here, you can see it, Pi network here. So let me open it and make sure that it is the exact amount I sent. So you can see 100 Pi here. So that is how you send your Pi to your exchange or to wallet. And by the way, for the sake of this video, you can sell your Pi also offline by sending it directly to someone else who pays you without you sending to an exchange. For example, we have our Crypto Puncher exchange where you can directly sell your Pi without involving third party, without involving an exchange. So you can directly chat up the number in the flyer that will be displaying on the screen. So you can directly send your Pi, reach out to the number, directly sell your Pi immediately without sending to an exchange. So back to the video. So if you want to sell your Pi to your local currency, for instance Nigerians, if you want to sell to Naira, what you will now do is you go to market. When you go to market, you search for the coin that you want to sell. You have to exchange Pi to Naira to USDT first. So when it opens, you click on trade. Once it opens, you see that I have 100 Pi here. So if I want to sell these 100 Pi, I will just type in, I will just use percentage loader here to load it. So you see that 100 Pi will give me about $63.29. That is USDT. Once I sell it to this, once I sell Pi to this USDT, then I can now go to P2P to sell off the USDT to my local bank account. For those of you, if you have not seen our video on how to convert your USDT to Naira, check out our previous videos on that. you will have a full guide on how to sell USDT to Naira. So this is how you sell your Pi. Thank you so much. Remember, we also have our crypto puncher exchange where you can directly sell all your cryptos or buy USDT. If you wish to sell your Pi offline, you can directly DM the numbers there and you will get appropriate response. Thank you so much, guys.